New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1965 AutoKraft AC 427 Mark IV Cobra. This specific Cobra is a rather simple color combination of just black exterior over black interior. However, interestingly, the model designation of this Cobra is a 1 of 2 Special Edition 427 SC Mark IV Cobra. So a rare example here, and this one has right around 2,900 miles on the odometer, so it has not seen extensive road time. Desirable options are on this car, starting with, of course, the side exhaust pipes there, as well as the body side air vents visible on the front quarter panels, the hood slash bonnet scoop, the 15-inch knockoff wheels, factory marker light delete, and also the headrest delete for the interior, which we'll see shortly. A 427 side oiler V8, of course, powers this Cobra. That is mated to a 4-speed manual Borg Warner transmission. A Ford 9-inch rear differential is also present, along with the all-aluminum body. The final assembly point for this Cobra was actually at the Fine Auto store in San Diego, California. That's where the roller chassis and drivetrain componentry was all joined together. And lastly, also accompanying this car is its original soft top, as well as hard side windows, which can be mounted into the doors. So as always, we'll get a startup clip here to conclude the video, and then a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.